Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the crypto trading bot world with a showdown between two popular contenders, BullX and photon.sol. We'll break down their key features, compare their performance, and ultimately help you decide which bot might be better fit for your trading needs. So first up, let's explore BullX. Known for its advanced AI-powered trading strategies, BullX offers a range of features designed to maximize profits and minimize risk. Some of its key highlights include AI-driven trading, backtesting and paper trading, multiple trading strategies, and risk management tools. Now let's turn our attention to photon.sol. This platform focuses on speed and efficiency, particularly within the Solana ecosystem. Key features include high-speed trading, Solana ecosystem focus, user-friendly interface, and an active community and responsive support team. Let's break down the key differences between BullX and photon.sol. BullX excels in AI-powered trading and offers a wider range of strategies, while photon.sol shines in terms of speed and integration with the Solana ecosystem. Ultimately, the better bot depends on your individual trading style and priorities. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Have you used either BullX or photon.sol? What are your experiences? Share your opinions in the comments below. In conclusion, both BullX and photon.sol are powerful trading bots with their own strengths and weaknesses. The best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your trading style, risk tolerance, and the specific cryptocurrencies you plan to trade. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto trading tips and reviews.